Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Before we jump into today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and of course comment down below. So as you can see from the title, today's video is going to be my product favorites, so things that I've been loving so far in the month of February. I'm so sad because that means summer is over, and summer is my favorite time of the year. I love the heat and I hate winter, so the fact that everything is cooling down just kind of makes me sad. But anyway, nothing I can do about that. So yeah, these are some of the products that I've been absolutely loving in the month of February. So let's jump straight into this video. So let's see, I have to talk about this first because this has been so far, I declared this is probably one of the best makeup purchases I've ever made. So that's a pretty big statement. This is the Natasha Denona Bloom Blush and Glow palette. This bad boy is unreal. I have a dedicated video to this product down below, so I'll link that for you guys. But you get 2 cream products, 2 powdered products, and yeah, as I said before, this is the best makeup purchase I think I've ever made. I love this. The formula is unreal. The colors are right up my alley. Natasha Denona is expensive. It's one of the best feelings when you splurge on something and it actually is amazing. So yeah, I absolutely love this. I'll link the video down below. I don't want to ramble on too much about this one just because I do have a dedicated video. Check it out. And yeah, I just love this. If you've been eyeing this off, it's definitely worth it. I don't think this is limited edition. I think this is around to stay, so I can see myself repurchasing this over and over again. The blush in here, this one just here, I know people will probably look at that and think, oh my god, that is so intimidating, but trust me, the tiniest bit of this product goes such a long way, and it is the most stunning pink you will ever see in your life. I absolutely love it. So yeah, I had to mention that one because this is probably my most favorite makeup purchase of all time. That's a pretty big statement. Natasha Denona, I see you, I see you. Actually, and speaking of Natasha Denona, I do have one other product that I wanted to mention. Now, this product is limited edition. I think that it is still around, so if you can get your hands on it, yeah, definitely you should. This is the Natasha Denona, the gold palette. Now, my husband, my amazing husband, brought this for me for Christmas, and this product, this palette is so unique. I absolutely love it. The shades in here are unreal. They're just so pigmented. Yes, once again, this is a product that is so expensive, but the quality is there, guys. The quality is absolutely there. Natasha Denona just knocks it out of the park. If you're wanting to try some of her stuff, she does have little 5pan palettes that you can use. But yeah, if you were wondering what the gold palette was like, then you should definitely pick it up. I do have a video as well where I'm using this, so I'll also link that down below so you can check it out, see some swatches, watch me play with it. But yeah, I have been absolutely loving this and using this so much recently. If I'm just going for a nice kind of natural day-to-day look, I just use the mattes in here. They're unreal. And if I'm wanting something with a bit of a pop, you've got the blues, you've got the, and all those amazing shades of gold. You've also got a really nice brown shimmer in here as well, which looks amazing all over the lid. And I've just been using this so much recently, so I wanted to put it in this video because I know it's limited edition, and yeah, I don't know how much longer it's going to be around for. So if you were thinking about picking it up, I definitely think that you should. So yeah, sorry if you guys get upset about me talking about anything limited edition, but for anybody out there who was thinking about purchasing this, I just wanted to mention it, that I think it is worth it and you should definitely check it out. Okay, I want to talk about, I have one skincare product, and so I want to quickly talk about that. Now, I think I've mentioned in some previous videos that I have been experiencing a lot of trouble with acne recently. Last August, I went off the pill and my body has just been crazy since then. Like, hormones must be so out of balance, so out of whack. And yeah, I have been experiencing a lot of acne. My face has calmed down a bit. It definitely has flare-ups, but my neck, like my chest and my back, oh, it's been really, really hard. And I don't want to sound like such a girl, but it's such an emotional thing sometimes when you have like just disgusting acne all over your chest and, you know, your neck and your back, and it makes me really self-conscious and not want to wear, like, you know, low cut shirts or things that expose those areas. And yeah, so I've been kind of going through lots and lots of products trying to see what works, what I can use to help get rid of that acne, and I found this product. Now, I actually found a lotion in this first, and then I done a little bit of research and found that that also comes in a wash. So what I've been doing is using this, which is the AzClear foaming wash. I picked this up from Priceline Pharmacy. It was like, I think $12 or something like that. And it's a foam. So what I've been doing is just every single night when I have a shower, I have been taking this all over my chest, all over my neck area, and then for my back I have like a scrubber brush, so I just pump some onto the scrubber brush and scrub my back, and most of my acne has completely cleared up since doing that. I do have the odd little flare up, but I go in with this product, and then if it's really bad, I'll go in with the lotion afterwards just to like double up, and it's really been helping eliminate all that acne. So what this does, it's made to wash away the pimple causing bacteria. You can use this morning and night. I don't use this on my face. I just use the lotion on my face because I have another cleanser that I prefer to use on my face. But yeah, for my neck and my chest and my back, I have been using this. I've been absolutely loving it. And yeah, so if there's anybody out there who's been struggling with acne, I recommend picking this up. I don't think you'll be disappointed, and it's actually quite affordable as well. Yeah, I've been really liking this, and it's really been helping. So I mean, as you can see, I have one little acne spot just here, but otherwise everything is pretty clear in this area, which is nice after months and months of struggling with acne. Now, so I've got two other products that aren't really makeup, so I'll quickly talk about those. Now, this is a body cream. This is by the brand Scentsy, which they sell like candles and melts and all this amazing stuff that just smells unreal. I have so much of it like burning through my house. This is a sea salt and avocado body cream. Can you guys hear that? My cat's devastated that I locked him out. Hold on. Franklin. Hi. He's a little needy. So yeah, this is, like I said, by the brand Scentsy, and it is a body cream. So this is a sea salt and avocado scented body cream. You get a nice amount in here, 237 ml. I kind of was a bit like, oh, I don't know how this would go, because it is by a brand that brings out like mostly like melts and yeah, like I said, oils and stuff like that. But this body cream is actually amazing, and it's got some really amazing ingredients in it as well. Oh my gosh, I can hear my cat now scratching at the door. It's got sunflower oil, aloe, it's got pink sea salt, honeydew, jasmine. There's some really amazing ingredients in here, and the formula is absolutely amazing. So it's really thick, which I prefer a body like butter or a body cream as opposed to a lotion. And one of the things that I love about this the most is not only does it smell like absolutely amazing, but it's one of those scents that will actually last a little while, which I personally like. Like, you know how sometimes you might use something that smells really nice and then like 5 minutes later it's gone. You can be like an hour, 2 hours, and I can smell my arm and or my legs, or not that I'm smelling my legs, but you guys know what I mean. And I can still like get that slight hint of the sea salt and avocado cream scent, and it's really amazing. It's super thick, it's super nourishing, and it smells amazing as well. So yeah, I like really like this. Usually I've been using the Jergens body lotion cream things. They're pretty much in every single empty videos, because I've been using that for like non-stop for like a year. And then yeah, I don't know, I just wanted to pick this up, try something different, and I'm impressed. It's super nourishing, it smells amazing, and yeah, so I don't know, if you guys have Scentsy in your area or know anybody who stocks it, then yeah, I don't know, I recommend trying the body cream out. I was really surprised, and I definitely think I'll be picking up more. Now I've got one other product that isn't exactly makeup related, so I just want to quickly talk about that. Now this is super bougie, so I apologize in advance if anybody's offended by this, because nobody needs to spend this much money on a hairspray. This is the Oribe Superfine hairspray. So I had to keep it in the packaging just because the packaging is like so luxe. I mean, it's Oribe, so it's super expensive. This is what it is. So it is a hairspray, and I actually have pretty fine hair. The thing that I love the most about this hairspray is the mist is unreal, which, I mean, it's a hairspray, so a mist isn't that big of a deal, but the way it distributes into the hair and the type of hold that this has is amazing. It doesn't make your hair feel super crunchy, but yet it still holds it nicely. You can brush your hair out super easy without having that real crinkly feeling, and you can kind of touch your hair and it doesn't really feel like there's product in it. It doesn't feel like there's hairspray in it. And I don't know, I've just been absolutely loving this. So it's such a different type of hairspray formula to anything that I've used before. And if you guys don't know this about me, I used to hairdress. I've been out of the trade now for about 3 years, but I mean, I still do heaps of it on the side. I've worked with my own fair share of hairsprays over time, and yeah, I really like this. It's a super amazing formula. It's really quite unique in my opinion, and like, I can't even remember what I paid for this, but it would have been something stupid because it's Oribe. This is probably like only the second product that I've ever tried from them, but I really like it. So I'll just curl my hair, kind of like something similar to what I've done today, spray this all through it, and yeah, I can still touch it, I can still brush it, I can spray more throughout the day, but yeah, it doesn't get super crunchy or look like I've got a lot of product in there. So I don't know, I've been really liking this, and yeah, it's bougie, it's Oribe, but it works. So I don't know, if you've got super fine hair and you wanted to try this out, I recommend it. It's pretty good. Okay, I got a little tiny sample of this product and I definitely want to pick up some more. This is the VDL Lumilayer Primer. So I brought some stuff from Beautylish and they sent me this little deluxe primer sample with my purchases, and I really like this. So it kind of is really similar to MAC strobe cream, but I don't know, I just feel like it gives more of a glow. So it comes in like just this really white shade, and then you rub it in, obviously, duh, and you just get, it just gives this really like luminosity to the skin. It's kind of like, it reminds me a little bit of like those glass primers that you are seeing a lot floating around lately, but it has like this, yeah, just beautiful luminosity to it, and the way that it sits on the skin and the way it makes your skin look, I don't know, it's just so different to other luminous primers that I have. And yeah, I've been like using this almost every single day. I've nearly used this tiny little sample up. I don't really know anything about this brand, so I'm definitely going to have to look into it a little bit more. But the next time I'm doing a makeup purchase on Beautylish, I'm going to pick the full size of this up. It's just, yeah, I don't know, it gives this beautiful luminosity to the skin. I'm wearing it today underneath my foundation, and I really like it. So yeah, I don't know a lot about this brand, but I've been absolutely loving this product, so I'm kind of intrigued to see what else they have. I don't know, I might pick some stuff up. Let me know down below, guys, if you've used this primer or if you're familiar with this brand. I'd love some recommendations of products that you're enjoying. Now, another product that I have here is for brows. Now, this is the Boho Brows Instant Brow Thickener. So this is a really hard, it's kind of like a hard gel in a sense, or like a wax maybe might be a better example. It's like a hard wax. It's actually sometimes really hard to scrape out, which can be a bit of a pain in the ass. Yeah, it doesn't look like I've used a lot, but I have. This is really amazing for that super feathery eyebrow look, like super feathery, I'm talking. If you're somebody who likes that type of look, you might really enjoy this product. I know the brand has also just recently brought out tinted versions of this as well, and yeah, I'm pretty sure their whole brand is just all about brows. You can get some pretty interesting brow products, and yeah, whenever I want that really super feathery kind of brow look, this is just the product that I gravitate towards. So I've really got to dig my brush in there to get it out, but when you do, it's really nice. It's long hold, super feathery, and yeah, I've been using this a lot in the last month, so I thought I'd just give it a bit of an honorable mention. Now, I've only got 2 products left. I really didn't have a lot to talk about this month, but I still wanted to film this video for you guys. Now, I've got a product here by Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Contour Wand. I love this. This is in the shade Fair to Medium. So what this is, well, a contour wand. So this is what the applicator looks like. You can see I've used mine. You shake it up, you give it a good shake, and then you would kind of squeeze the packaging, and then you'll start to see the product come out from here, and then you just put a bit here, a bit here. I use a separate brush to blend the product out. I don't use this little wand thingy here. It's too small. I just, yeah, I prefer to use a brush, whether it's a stippling, a beauty blender, or yeah, I don't know, a stiff brush to blend this out. It's quite a watery product. It kind of reminds me of a product that Nars makes where it's a really liquidy type of bronzer, but I've just been absolutely loving this. You only need a little, it goes such a long way. The color is super amazing, and it really just helps chisel out those cheekbones. It's such a nice color. I use this on days where I'm wearing like super full glam, or even just like a really minimal makeup day. I can just pop this on, like no foundation, tiny bit of concealer under the eyes, pop this on, really buff it out, and it looks so stunning. So yeah, I've been using this a lot recently. I really like this. It's only 12 ml of product, so it's going to be interesting to see how quickly I use this up. It is liquidy, so you don't need a lot, but I've tried a couple of other products from Charlotte Tilbury where I don't know if it's a formula thing, but they tend to run out pretty quickly. So yeah, I'm going to continue to use this. I really like it. If you guys have seen this, it's definitely worth it. If you like cream products, if you like cream bronzers, I've been absolutely loving this one recently. And the last product that I have to talk about is a product by Nars. So this is the Velvet Lip Glides. Now I own about 7 of these. I just have a bunch of minis. This is the shade I'm wearing today in the shade Californication. Looks like this. This product is so nice. I don't know if I've ever spoken about this before, but they come in these doe foot ones. Like I said, these are just sample sizes. You get way bigger ones, or deluxe minis, I should say. And yeah, this is just such an amazing soft formula on the lips. They've got a lot of color payoff. They're super, like exactly what the name says. They're a velvet lip glide. Like, not that they feel velvety, but the way they glide across the lip, it's just so different. Like, it's not like a lip gloss. It's not like a lipstick. It's not like a liquid lipstick, although it does kind of dry down. It's just like, it's such a different and unique formula of its own. And yeah, I've got some, like I said, I've got about 7 shades of these. I really, really enjoy them. I'm hoping they bring out even more colors because the formula of this is unreal. I really, really like it. They're just super comfortable to wear. They really give a bang for your buck as far as pigmentation goes. And they're just so comfortable and nice to wear in the lips. They don't settle into the lines. They make everything look plump and smooth. And yeah, I've just really been loving these. I've been using these nearly every single day recently. So I just wanted to give them a quick little mention. There wasn't a lot in today's video, but these are just the things that I've been loving in the last month. And I wanted to let you guys know. So thanks again so much for watching. Comment down below and let me know what you guys have been loving in the month of February. And once again, thanks for watching. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye!